Hi, everybody. Melissa O'Neill, CEO at Central Iowa Shelter and Service. Just wanted to welcome everyone to the Rolling Hills Coalition community. We talked earlier on about the importance of the word coalition and why that was key in creating a next step for this region. So now I want to introduce you to the community. Our community platform is to make sure that all of us have an opportunity to communicate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We want to make sure that training materials, forms, paperwork, documentations are all readily available to you as coalition members and to stakeholders within our community to have resources and to know how or to get a quick answer to a question if you're not sure what to do. So the community was created as that living, breathing platform that allows the coalition to exist well beyond any one organization or one person. So enjoy the community, get logged on, test it out, send some requests out, become an ambassador and start creating more energy and connection, not just within your own neighborhood, but this can expand not just across those 15 counties, all of Central Iowa, the state, and who knows where we can go from there. But it is a part of you and you joining this coalition and this community to make it what it is today. So thank you all, and let us know if you have any questions.